This is Aurora with Superchargedscience.com, homeschool science curriculum and resources. We are at Old Faithful in Yellowstone National Park, and it just finished erupting. I put another video up of just the eruption itself, and this is such a cool experiment because kids get to learn all about thermal chemistry and the chemistry itself and what's going on underneath the Earth's crust and how the water seeps down, gets heated up by the Earth's plumbing, and then shoots back up through this geyser. Now, this particular geyser will erupt every 90 minutes, plus or minus 10 minutes or so, and it goes up anywhere between 100 and 200 feet, and it expels between 3,500 and 8,500 gallons when it is erupting. And so this is not the largest or the most predictable geyser in Yellowstone, but it is one of the most famous. It even has its own inn and its own visitor's guide. So if you are ever on the road and you would like to take a tour through Yellowstone, make sure you make Old Faithful one of your stops. If you'd like your kids to learn more about thermal chemistry like this, if they're truly excited about the world around them and totally curious and you want to support that, go to my website, www.superchargedscience.com, and download the free resources we have for hands-on science experiments you can do right at home. I'm Aurora with Superchargedscience.com. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.